Good morning, class 7. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about a chapter that is called chapter 16, and the name of the chapter is Water, a Precious Resource. Last day, we had finished chapter 9, that is soil. Now we will start chapter 16, that is water, a precious resources. Here in the book at the top you find there is a slogan, Jal hai to kal hai. If you have water, you can think about of the future. So why this is the question? Because we all know that without water there is no life. There is oxygen, which is the most important thing. Without oxygen we cannot survive for a few minutes. Without water we cannot survive for a day also, or if you survive then in 2-3 days you will die, surely you will die. So without water we cannot survive. Now so here we have to understand the importance of water. On 22nd March, the whole world will celebrate World Water Day. Why we have to celebrate this World Water Day on 22nd March? To attract the attention of the whole world peoples and the community towards the importance of water. That see, water is very important and we are wasting water, or we are destroying water in a way that in a few years we are not able to get the proper amount of water for us. So we celebrate World Water Day on 22nd March. Maybe we are living in a place where there is no shortage of water, but there are areas where acute shortage of water is there. Peoples are not even able to get water for drinking purpose. They are not even able to get water for drinking purpose. So we have heard from our elders, from our teachers, that save water, use water, but use only that much you need it. Don't waste water. Don't waste means when we are using something which we don't need but still we are using. So this is called waste of water. In this world there are some people, they have resources and they thought that they have the right to use it, because they are not wasting it, they are using it. So don't think like that. There are peoples who are not able to get it. So maybe if you have money, maybe you have resources, but don't waste it. Use it, properly use it. So here water is very important for us, and especially there are areas where acute shortage of water. So we also have to learn from that areas that we have resources and we have to take care of that. If not, one day they will go out. So United Nations organization, they form a criteria that every person need at least 50 liters of water for drinking, fooding, cooking and maintaining proper hygiene. One day 50 liters of water means 2.5 bucket of water. Some peoples in the world, they are able to get it, but some peoples, they are not able to get it. In the news we heard that in the summer season peoples are making long queues for water, they are fighting for water, they are protesting for water. So it is a huge crisis of water nowadays even. So we have to take care of that water. So there is an activity in your book, that is activity 16.1, in which you are told to cut the clippings from newspaper and magazines, that how scarcity of water is affecting the world. Now after doing this activity you will understand that we have to save water if we have that resource. So now we have to understand how much water is available for us to use. We all know that from the space, if picture of Earth is taken, it seems as a blue color. Why blue color? Because 70 to 71% of water is earth is covered by water, and that is why it seems blue from the space. But the question is, from this 71% of water that is present in sea and oceans, rivers and lakes, ponds, ditches, underground water also there. So how much water is available for of our use? So the answer is, most of the water is not fit for human consumption. In very early days they are fit for water consumption, but as the technology improves, factories are there, and these factories, they directly throw their waste in the nature without recycling them. And when the peoples ask them that it is your responsibility, that from the factories you are producing waste, so you are getting money after profit after selling it, but who will take care of the waste you are producing? They will not take the responsibility. And the laws are not like that, but now people are aware, now government is also aware, and they are making law that if you are producing waste, you have to recycle it. There should be a recycling plant, then only you are allowed to throw that wastewater in the nature. But still it's not working. There are some harmful chemical which is mixing with water, and the water of rivers and lakes and ponds are now not fit for consumption. We spoil the water. We humans spoil that natural source of water. So now we have to understand that how much fresh water is available for us to consume, that is fit for consumption. How much? So we don't able to use the water from sea and ocean, that is the saline water. We are only able to use fresh water. So here is an activity we'll perform, and after that activity we are able to understand that how much water is available in the nature for us to use it. So here is the thing, that here we have to perform an activity. The activity is, take a full bucket, that is 20 liters of water in a bucket. So after taking that amount of water in a bucket, it represents the whole amount of water present on the earth. Now take a small mug, water mug, a bath mug, and take a teaspoon. And after taking that teaspoon should be 5 ml capacity, and take 100 spoons of water from that bucket and put into the mug. After doing that, you will see that this much amount of water in the mug represents total fresh water. This amount in the bath mug represents the fresh water. Then 30 spoons of water from that and put in a glass. That amount of water is groundwater. Then 1/4 spoonful of water from the mug. All the water present in all the lakes and rivers of the world. So this is the condition. This is an activity which shows you that how can we separate the water. So ultimately 0.06% of water, that is a rough figure, that much water is fit for consumption, or we can use them for our drinking purpose. So here the water left in the bucket is the saline water which is present on the earth. It represents the saline water which is present on the earth, in the seas and in the oceans. Water left in the bath, that represents the bath mug, that represents the water in the glaciers and the ice caps which is stored there. So here, by doing this experiment, by doing this activity, we understood that most of the water we are not able to use, that is not fit for our consumption, but we have to refine them. We are you heard the country about Israel, that they take water from the sea, they recycle it, they purify it, and they use it. So we peoples, the way we use factories, the way we are thinking of recycling of water day after day. So class, I hope you are able to understand about the availability of water. Have a great day class. Be safe at home. Any problem, ask me. Thank you class.